anyone who will be offloaded will be reimbursed insofar as their expenses chargeable against the immigration fees being collected by the Bureau of Immigration, since a percentage of this goes to them anyway. Mr. President, ang best practice sa anumang parte ng mundo, istrikto ang inspeksyon ng bagahe ng sinumang lumalabas sa anumang bansa. Pagdating mo sa bansang pupuntahan mo, random na lang yon at hindi na istriktong iniinspeksyon ang bagahe. Patungkol naman sa mga kababayan nating paalis, tao na ito at hindi bagahe. Hindi iniistriktuhan ang pag-alis maliban sa pagkakaroon ng valid passport at visa kung kinakailangan dun sa bansang pupuntahan mo at obligasyon ng bansang tumatanggap ng dayuhan na tanungin, may hotel ka ba? May insurance ka ba? Gaano katagal ka ba dito at kailan ka babalik? Hindi problema at hindi dapat tinatanong at inaasikaso ng immigration officials ng ating bansa, dayuhan man o Pilipino, ang mga bagay na ito. Hinahayaan dapat sila magbiyahe at hayaan natin yung bansa ang magtingin. Meron ka bang pambayad sa hotel? May kakayahan ka ba? Dahil bago sila inisyo ng visa, Mr. President, tiningnan at hiningi na lahat yan. Bakit kailangan pa i-presentang muli sa ating immigration officials? And in so far, Mr. President, that's the 32,404 Filipinos offloaded. May I seek the Chamber's support that in the special provisions of the 2024 budget that we include a provision that states that these 32,404 and anyone who will be offloaded will be reimbursed insofar as their expenses chargeable against the immigration fees being collected by the Bureau of Immigration, since a percentage of this goes to them anyway. Let it hurt them, Mr. President, so that they learn their lesson and so that they exercise the powers given to them, not arbitrarily, but with due diligence and care. Mr. President, I believe that discretion always equals corruption. Minimize discretion, you minimize corruption. Eliminate discretion, you eliminate corruption. This clearly gives a wide latitude of discretion based solely on profiling. Marunong ba mag-Ingles? Kaya ba mag-Ingles ng diretso? Ano ba yung forma? Ano ba yung sapatos? Yung mga bagahe ba niya ay nasa supot, nasa plastic bag, o maganda ba yung bagahe niya? Rimowa ba yan o ano? Mr. President, that is clearly arbitrary, unfair, and unjust. Now, whatever the reason may be, there is no proof and final decision that says that indeed this person offloaded will be engaged in prostitution or human trafficking. Therefore, it just behooves government to reimburse these 32,404 retroactively, Mr. President, even for previous years, chargeable, again, from the fees collected by the Bureau of Immigration. I hope our President can lead us insofar as inserting that provision in the special provisions for the budget of the Bureau of Immigration is concerned for the 2024 national budget.